On August 12, 2024, officers were dispatched to investigate a reported protection order violation. As they arrived on scene, it became clear that the situation was more complex than initially reported.
We're just here to talk to Nicholas and Elizabeth.
Is Elizabeth here?
I think so, yeah.
Police department. Hey, you Elizabeth?
Yeah?
How are ya?
Good, how are you?
Can we talk to Nicholas?
He's not here.
We just saw him go inside.
He's not here.
We just watched him walk inside.
Okay.
He is here.
He's not here.
I'm not going to argue with you. I just saw him walk inside.
But he's not here. I don't know who you saw walk inside. You may have saw Jeff walk inside?
Is that Jeff?
Yeah, but you did not see Nick walk inside. Nick's at Sarah's house.
Is it okay if I go inside and check?
No, you're not coming to my house.
Not going in your house?
No.
Okay. Well, we definitely just saw him walk inside.
No, you did not. I'm telling you, he's not here. I wouldn't lie to you. You might saw Jeff walk inside. You did not see Nick walk inside.
Well, Micah just stated that Nicholas is here and he just walked inside.
Micah didn't know. No, he did not. And Micah did not say that.
He definitely told me he did.
Okay,
And
well, he's
we've
not
seen a
mistaken.
picture of Nicholas, and we just saw him standing right here by his car.
Well, Nick's not here.
Whose car is this?
His car's
That's my car.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah?
You said Jeff's here.
Yeah.
Okay. Have Jeff come out and talk to us, please.
Jeff's not going to come out there.
That's what I thought.
Well, you know, he
So,
doesn't want to. I mean,
I'll just be
I
honest with
asked
you.
him
The
to.
way we're going right now is we're probably just going to end up writing a search warrant, and we're going to have to get into your house that way.
Well, if you come back with a warrant, you can come in my house.
But
Jeff's here. Nick's not here. Jeff's here.
Jeff's not here. Jeff's at work.
Jeff's at work.
Okay, so she's saying that Jeff's not here. So then what guy that walked inside? Can you go
I
bring
was
him?
inside.
Can
I
you
was
bring?
just inside there.
Who's in there?
He's not here.
Is Nick?
No,
Then what man just walked inside?
I didn't see a man walk inside. I was in my room. Stop! I was just in there.
Well, I observed Nick walk inside. I know he's here.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't see him. I haven't seen him. I've been in my room.
What's your name?
Elizabeth?
Elizabeth?
Yeah.
Hey Nick, we know you're in there. Please come out.
There's nobody in my house.
We know he's in there. We just saw him walk
Nick
inside.
is, I'm telling you, Nick is not here.
hey,
We're not.
I promise you, if you want to talk to Nick, you need to go to Sarah Miller's house. He's at Sarah Miller's house.
here's the thing. I don't want to argue with you a ton, Elizabeth.
I don't want to argue either.
We are three grown men who were parked right there.
I understand that.
We saw a white male with long blonde hair, just like Nick,
Nick
walk.
is
Sorry,
not here.
Oh, I know what you're saying, but you're lying.
I'm not lying to you.
Oh, hold on. We saw him physically walk into the house.
I don't know who you saw,
Okay,
but
hold
it
on.
was not Nick.
Wait, but what you're saying doesn't make sense, right? Listen to what.
Perfect sense. Nick is with Sarah.
Okay.
He doesn't live here. He's with Sarah. He's with her for years.
Yeah. There is a no
If you want to
contact.
come to my house, you gotta get a warrant.
There is a no contact. I know. There is a no contact order currently between you and Nick.
Correct. That's why
That
he's
is
not here.
that is why that is why we are here. And we saw Nick go into your home. So that's why we're here
There's been a
today.
door between me and Nick for years. Why on earth would you come here today?
Someone called about it. They told us Nick was here.
But he's
And,
not.
and sure as crap, when we get here, we see
He
Nick
is
walk
with
in.
Sarah. I
But-
promise you, he's with Sarah.
Okay, but you're playing games with us. 'cause-
I'm not. He's with Sarah.
But you're telling us to deny our senses, deny
I'm
three
telling you
people's
the
sight.
truth. He is with Sarah.
But you're telling us a simultaneous lie. Even if he is with Sarah, there is a man who looks like Nick in your home that you're not willing to tell us about.
I
That
don't-
we all visually watched walk inside.
But it's not Nick.
What was your name again, ma'am?
Elizabeth?
Elizabeth.
I have not seen Nick. I promise you I have not seen Nick. I've been in my room
Can
this whole time.
Can you go inside and see if Nick is in there for me, please?
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
Okay, but you're still lying to me because you won't tell me who it is. Tell me it's Jeff. It's not Jeff.
I thought, honestly, I thought it was Jeff.
I'm not saying that you honestly
Okay.
thought it wasn't Jeff.
It's
but
somebody with warrants, but I'm not going to tell you it is not Nick. I promise you it's not Nick.
yeah. So
I'm not
again,
going to
like
tell
I
you
said,
who it is.
like I said, you're lying to us.
I'm not lying to you. I'm just not going to tell you who's in my house, but it's not Nick.
Yeah, and
If
that
you
means.
want Nick, you have to go to Sarah Miller's house.
But you've already lied to us. Does that make sense? You told us
I
no one
haven't
was in
lied
your
to you.
house. You told us that Jeff was in your house.
I thought
now
Jeff
there's
was-
someone
I
in your
thought
house.
Jeff was in
Hold
my
on.
house.
Now there's someone in your house as warrants. So again,
I thought Jeff was in my house.
I know. All I'm saying is that you have a clear history of lying to us already
No, I don't.
at this call.
No, I don't. I thought that
But you
Jeff
told
was
us
in,
there's another man in your house that
I
has
thought
warrants.
Jeff was in my house.
You said there's another man in your house that has warrants.
Who I'm not going to tell you who it is, yes.
Yes, but just a few minutes ago you said there was no one in your house.
Well, when I went through there, I didn't see nobody. He might have left. He might have left.
Nick, can you please come outside and talk to us?
Nick's not here.
Nick is currently he's in violation of the order.
Not right now because he's not here.
Okay.
It's not Nick.
Okay.
Nick's not here, dude. But he's not here. I can call him and have him come down here from Sarah's house if you want, but he's not here.
We know. I'm not gonna argue about this.
I'm not
I saw him walking.
I told you. I told him it's somebody else. How long do you guys get a warrant?
Probably just a few hours, but I would recommend if we ended up going that route, everyone's gonna have to come back out.
That's fine. I mean, well, I'm leaving. I'm going on vacation with my daughter. That's what I'm doing. I'm packing up to go on vacation with my daughter right now. So, no one's gonna be here.
Where?
He's on the top back here by my windows, by my living room.
He's in your...
He's in my backyard.
Yeah, but is
by
it
my
like a deck?
fireplace. It's not a deck, it's a patio. It's flat. It's like you
Do
walk-
we have permission to go back there?
Yes.
Okay.
She's saying that he's in the backyard.
In your backyard.
Can we access it through here?
Let's get two more. Can I just say, would you be interested in pressing charges against him for trespassing? Oh, yeah, that's all right. Where at in your backyard?
You go around, he's here on the back side. So it's like a
Where's he hiding at?
He's hiding behind my jeans.
Did you list that?
There's a opening to my gate this way, or you go that way. But there's no, it's like a little...
Do you see him?
Yeah, I can see him from my
Can you
niece.
take a picture of him?
Yeah, my niece is up there right now.
Can I come with you?
Information on a
Hey,
subject
John.
that is
Can you go take a picture of him with her? You said you can see him. So just try to stay hidden
have my phone. What's your code?
and just pull up from the bottom and show the camera.
Go out. Jay, he's coming to you. Jay, he's coming to you. He's walking to you.
Who do we have on that side?
you want to hear that?
He saw me when I was walking in and he said,
Go to that side. We're going to the back.
Let's go.
Nick, you're under arrest.
Come here, right there. Stop. You're under arrest.
Yeah, no,
Come to me. Turn around, face away from me. If you do anything, force will be used against you. Walk back towards the sound of my voice.
I got it.
Keep going.
44, we have one. We're
Keep going.
What did you say in the mail right now?
Hold one of these.
Yep.
Appreciate your cooperation, Nick.
Hello. What's going on?
So what's going on?
Interested.
For the first time ever, I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. You guys are pieces of shit. I hope you know that.
Okay. Do you want to provide a statement or anything?
Yeah, you guys are pieces of shit, and you should all. That's
Okay.
my statement.
Were you aware of the order between you guys?
Yeah, the order that you guys put on there, that I've been trying to get off for 10 years. Yeah, I'm aware of that bullshit.
Okay.
You are the worst I've ever met in my life. I hope you all get shot and killed tonight. Every last one of you bitches. I hate you.
Stay away from him, please.
I'm not going to go anywhere near him. I know the rules.
Well, you're going in his direction.
I can go wherever the f I want. It's a
No,
free
you can't.
country. Bet me.
I'm gonna pull a car for you guys.
There's a whole bunch of shit in the back of my car.
Can I get
I
shoes?
got to empty it out.
I have a grab shoes and...
That's my husband.
Hey, John.
You just f***ed up in my entire life.
Yeah.
Do you understand that? Why the f didn't you run? I bought you all kinds of time.
You're trying to get him to run away.
Yeah, I want him to run. Dude, we're going on vacation right now. We're leaving for vacation. My ex-boyfriend wanted to call and be a... Where's his daughter? His daughter's right there. We're going on vacation. Like, 10 minutes we would have been here. How would you like if somebody showed up with your wife and ruined your vacation?
I had a no contact order.
If against your will, that you've gone to court multiple times to get rid of, and they just won't do it because they're stupid? Do you understand that you're ruining our life?
I'm not ready.
Yes, you are. Then let him go.
I can't do that. You know that, right?
Right, I know that. Because you guys are out for the federal police department is only out to hurt people. You guys won't do any good in the world.
That's not true.
I love you.
Dude, every time you talk to her, it's a violation of the order.
I understand.
I hate you.
Okay.
I hope you each one of you gets shot in the f***ing head. So that neither one of you get to go home and be your wife either. Or your kids. If I could shoot you myself, I would.
Ooh.
That's enough for an arrest right there.
Hey, can he say goodbye to his daughter?
No,
Why?
no.
Why?
Because you're acting like that, you're going to make it worse for her.
Can you give her dad a hug?
No.
Please let her hold her
you-
dad.
No, not based because of your behavior.
Yeah.
My baby,
Your behavior.
I apologize. I'm sorry.
No,
It's
it
too
doesn't
late.
work like that.
You ruined my vacation.
You're not going to threaten our lives, call us
No.
racist remarks, and then ask us for a favor.
No.
After we're protecting an order that protects you.
It doesn't protect me.
Yeah, it does. And I'm not going to argue with you, but no, she cannot see him right now.
She can't give him a hug and
No, ma'am.
He's going for like 10 years. She just wants to hug her
Yeah,
dad.
I think you're causing her more problems than he is at this point.
Please, you're
No.
goddamn right I am.
Yeah, you are. I don't think that's very
You're a
kind
piece
of you as a
shit.
mother.
I hope you
You've already told me that.
We're ready to go.
Yeah, let's just go.
Yep.
I know you
We have him. He's going back to PD. She doesn't want to do anything.
Figure out the options.
Get the f off my street, you bitch!
Thank you.
God damn you! I hope you all night! Get on, you all better be shot, you fucking
What's that?
Here's a DB pamphlet for you.
No! Shove it up your f***ing ass!
Yeah.
The neighbor is over there yelling at you currently, correct?
Yep.
Would you be willing to aid in prosecution if we can develop some sort of criminal threats from this?
Yep.
Okay. What is she saying to you?
She told me that she's going to shoot me in my head, that her gun is on her way down here, she's going to set my house on fire, that I'm to her, she hopes I lose everything, like she's called me several times.
Okay. Is she armed with anything right now, or?
She's outside calling somebody else too, yelling for somebody else. She's calling the police on somebody else that's leaving her house right now too. She's claiming that they have weapons.
Okay. And just be cool with her. Like,
Hey, Elizabeth. Come out here and talk to me real quick.
what's going on with your friend?
With what?
Your friend.
About your friend.
Elizabeth, she's got DS. She's not supposed to be here in the first place.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should have arrested her when you were here the first time.
Okay.
She got DS. What do you, whoa. Wait. Mom, I'm being arrested. Mom, I'm being arrested. Mom, I'm being arrested.
And I lost my cuffs on the last
Mom, I'm
one.
being arrested. Come to Haley right now. I'm not resisting. I'm not going to resist. Mom, I'm being arrested. Haley, Grandma's on her way. Haley, Grandma's on her way. I promise.
I'll go take statements.
Tell her Grammy's on her way. Tell her to get her cell phone.
She's in there screaming. Her cell phone's in the car, Mom. I can't tell her anything. They're taking me to the car. I can't tell her anything.
Okay, well then ask the officer to tell her to get the
No,
cell
she's not.
phone.
No, I don't want Halsey anywhere near my
Here's,
daughter.
ma'am, we're not leaving, okay? We're not leaving it. We need you to come here as soon as possible. That's all. Don't worry about anything else. Don't worry about granddaughter yet. We'll stay here with granddaughter until you arrive. We just need to be as soon as possible.
You do not need to go near my
It
daughter.
will be. It
Okay.
will be. I just
I'm sorry I threatened you. I shouldn't. I was. I mean, you gotta understand. My husband was just arrested. We're on our way. Like 10 minutes later, and we wouldn't have been here. My ex-boyfriend.
Anything you say right now can be used against you in court of law, okay?
That's fine. Can I tell you what happened though?
Nope, just a sec.
So Justin, and I'm sure that he's the one that called you.
All right, we'll go ahead and step
He's
inside.
he's my ex-boyfriend. Okay. And he's super mad that we're going on vacation without him. And so that's why he called and told you guys about Nick being here or whatever. Okay? Because Nick's my husband. He was my boyfriend and he wanted to go on vacation with us and I told him he couldn't go because they don't get along. Okay? So Nick didn't do anything wrong. There's no reason for you guys to come around. Okay? I apologize for threatening the neighbor. I understand that why I'm going to jail. But I was just so upset that they ruined my vacation and took my husband from me. And you guys understand that, right? Just a little bit.
Again, everything is being audio and video recorded right now as well. We just have to
I
tell
know
you all
that,
this.
but I'm just saying, do you guys just as people, not as cops, you guys understand that like really sucks? Like if somebody were to come to your house, or when you're going on vacation and take
See,
your wife from you.
At this point, you should not be saying stuff like that. You know?
I'm just saying, like
Okay.
as a
What-
person, could
you
you
said that-
understand that?